Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your website from Wix to Squarespace. This process is incredibly useful if you're looking to migrate your existing design and content to a new platform, giving you a fresh start while preserving the work you've already put in. If you want to get started on Wix or explore their templates before making the move, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. This is your control center for managing all your websites and projects. From here, locate the website or project drop-down menu at the top of the page and click on it. This menu gives you quick access to all the sites you've created under your account. Once you click on that drop-down, a list of all your websites and projects will appear. This view shows you everything you're currently managing on Wix. From this list, click on Go to All Sites. This option takes you to a more comprehensive overview page where you can manage and organize all your websites in one place. Now that you're on the All Sites page, look over to the left side menu. Here, you'll find various options for managing your account and websites. Locate the Templates option in this menu and click on it. This is where we'll start the template export process. When you click on Templates, the menu will expand to show you additional options. From this expanded menu, click on your templates. This section displays all the custom templates you've created or saved. On Your Templates page, click on the plus Create Template button. A prompt will appear asking you how you'd like to create your template. Choose Start from an existing website. This option is key because it allows you to export a website you've already built. If you want to export one of Wix's pre-made templates, you can simply create a new website, choose the template you wish to export, and follow this same procedure. Once you've selected the website template you wish to export, click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a template name. Choose something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. After entering the name, click on Create Template. Wix will now process your website and convert it into a downloadable template format. This might take a moment, so be patient while the system prepares everything. Once your website template is listed in the Your Templates section, look for the three-dot icon next to it and click on it. You'll see a small options window appear with several choices. From these options, choose Download Shareable File. This action will start downloading your website in zip format. This compressed file contains all the design elements, pages, and content from your Wix site, making it ready for transfer. After the download completes, you'll have your Wix website packaged as a zip file on your device. You can now upload this website template and its associated files to Squarespace, allowing you to continue building and customizing your site on the new platform. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Wix website and prepared it for transfer to Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.